Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable child lock on your DREAME X30 Ultra. In order to do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then go to the robot management option. Now enable child lock. Now child lock was enabled, which means you cannot press on the buttons. They will not work. And unless they do work in one scenario when your robot is during cleaning and you just press on any button just to stop the cleaning, just to pause it in case you ever need it. Yeah, and you can also disable the child lock here. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.